It is awesome. I bought this in February but couldn't put it up till May. Installed really easily, keeps water warm and the bubble are incredible. I'm in love with this little spa. It sits perfectly on my deck. When the snow comes, I can simply deflate and put it back up in my sunroom. My only con is I wish the cover fit tighter. When it rains, I get a huge puddle of water in the middle. Kind of a pain to get it off w/out it going into the spa water. It is great. This is M2 Spa. It is great in winter as well as summer. Maintains the set temperature year-round. For the price, you get what you're paying for. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. Great product. You need to buy product to maintain water quality and the tub's quality too. Very simple to install, great to use. Stays at 104 in 10-degree weather and toss over 2 moving blankets on the top of the original zip-up cover, which is awesome. It stayed 104 when we hit 2 degrees here in Oregon. I can't believe how badass this is. We have had Coleman, which is okay in 45 plus degrees, and this one blows it away. Highly recommend. Make sure if you live in cold places to keep it away from elements, wind, etc. It's already great to go, but I added a few extra warming techniques that made it stand out. Simple, just toss more on top like moving blankets or wrap insulation padding around the sides if need be. If you are in a climate 20 degrees and up, you are good to go. Honestly, this tub is good as my parents' $22,000 tub, just less accessories, jets, molded seating, and pretty lights. The jets here are good enough. The tub is soft and hot. Solid. Don't forget to use the air pump every now and then to keep it in good shape. Water treatment and all that stuff is easy. Have not used it yet, but I set it up in minutes. Filled with water and heated to 104 in 48 hours. Click on the link below to see price.